Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make drop-down list in Google Sheets. Now I have this particular document right here, and let's just go ahead and try this one, exam paid, and then we can go ahead and select options if they have paid or not. And to do this, we can head over to insert and then drop down, and here you should be able to see the option here or the choices here. So let's go ahead and say, for example, put the first option as paid, and if it's paid we can assign a color for it, say for example green. Now this one, say for example not yet, and let's go ahead and mark this as red. And if we want to add another, go ahead and click this one right here, and let's go ahead and add here, say for example promissory notes, and then we're going to go ahead and assign this one as yellow, and click done, and we can close this one, and you have now added it. Now again, we have to drag this one in order to apply it to all of the list. There you go, and then you can click this and you have there the choices. So paid, for example, this one not yet, and then the other option. And yep, that is the easiest way in order for you to add drop down list here in Google Sheets.